Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, guys, and I'll keep this short because there's not that much going on right now in the market, right? Except for guys, if you participate in Phantasma, I know I didn't really call it out before you could whitelist for it and stuff. I mean, the whitelisting, you need to be really fast though. So people who are whitelisted, they already flipped their Neo. It's 3 times the Neo right now, guys. So that's just a quick update on that ICO. I of course took my initial investment out plus some profit, and yeah, go from there. It's definitely an ICO that a project that I believe in big time. So yeah, I only sold. I mean, I took my investment out plus some profit, so I'm happy. Definitely happy about that. And then tonight I can put another 50 Neo in, and everyone who's whitelisted as well. But it will be a rat race. It's not. It's basically first come first serve, right? Until it's gone. And if you put in and you didn't get your tokens, oh well. Then you will get refunded. So it's just a chance, and it's great that's already trading on Switch.io with a 3x gain off the Neo price. Like it's basically a 3x Neo, right? It's not 3x USD, but 3x Neo. So yeah, that's great. Anyways, guys, let's get into Bitcoin here. So on the 12-hour here, you can see the ABCDE, right? I'm looking at the 12-hour right now and not 6-hour because I want to show you guys the bigger time frame, right? So you see that this triangle we're in, right, is very important. And if we fall through this, then we could potentially see a another bottom. Basically what we're seeing right now is, well, we could call it almost a triple bottom, right? If a triple bottom holds, guys, that's very bullish. If it falls through, however, that is very bearish, right? So because of the fact that normally if something hits 3 times it falls through, right? So if we actually bounce from here, that's a very bullish sign. But if we don't, then hey, you gotta take action, guys. So like I said before, right, if you are not in Tether yet, or USD or fiat or whatever, and if it falls through, guys, and it actually makes a new low, I mean, it can go to here, right? Sure it can, because that's we had a wick there. But if it goes lower than that, guys, then you have a new low, and then you can be looking at 5k next, and after that 3k. So that is definitely a scenario you need to keep in mind. That will definitely take time though. So keep that in mind, guys. Also, if we do bounce from here, we'll probably go back up here, right? Eventually to like 9k. If we break that, that's bullish. Then the next one to break is obviously up here at 10k, and after that it's 11.7. Right, 11.7 is definitely the most important mark to keep in mind. So, I mean, it is very short, right, this update, but there's just not that much going on Bitcoin, guys. And if something happens, I'll definitely update you guys immediately, just like I did last night. We fell out of this triangle here, right? So if we go on the 1 hour here, we fell out of this. So I went on the 5 minute, and because everyone was talking super bearish, but I already saw 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, right? So I mean, if 5 waves are done, then after that you will either see a consolidation that we see right here, or you will see a big bounce immediately. And I mean, we had a tiny bounce here. So what will it do right now, right? Is it gonna drop further? Well, if it does drop, guys, you have to keep in mind that if we look at the 6 hour here, we're nearly oversold again. So 12 hour is still nearly oversold. The daily is very well nearly on the bottom. So how far can it really fall, guys, if it does fall, right? Because of the RSI being this low. So for people who are short, I think a lot of them are definitely closing and taking their profits, because they probably shorted from up here, like I said yesterday, and they're up a nice 20 to 30, well, in between 20 and 25%, right? So 26% if you short at the top. So I mean, what can we expect here is, well, to be like, if I'm looking at expectancy, I expect a bounce, okay? Because of that simple fact. Now, if that bounce is weak and only gets to about this 8k here, that will be a bad sign, right? And we'll probably go lower then. So just keep that in mind, guys. Always keep the RSI in mind. RSI tells you a big story. So I mean, if we look at the daily, you know, when the RSI gets this low, we get massive bounces. When it gets this low, you even get a pretty decent bounce. Well, we're at like the same lows here. So I simply expect a bounce, guys. You know, I'm not bullish or bearish, like I said, because we're in this triangle. And yeah, you sell the tops and you know you buy the bottoms. So what did I do? I mean, I definitely bought some not Bitcoin, but Neo here, right? I mean, you can buy just any of the top altcoins as well, right? Neo, Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever. When it's low, because those will be low as well, the USD pair. But I just see a bigger swing coming up on Neo than I see on Bitcoin. So that is my personal opinion. So yeah, it's just a little different, but definitely Bitcoin will indicate what the market's doing. So yeah, I simply expect to bounce, guys. Anyways, this is a really short update, but I'll leave you guys with that, because that's all I have really for today, right? Nothing much happened. So guys, if I find another ICO, I'll definitely tell you guys, you know, if it could be a gem again, just like Phantasma is right now. So also, guys, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any question, you can ask other people questions. It's just a great chat box to be in, right? So you know, I talked about my Phantasma here, obviously, because it's really weird to me that I can still buy into the ICO tonight, even though it's already on Switch.io, right? So that's really cool. But also, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, I post about upcoming ICOs, and you know, like I said, if I find another gem, you know, I'll definitely tell you guys about it. But I'm very picky. I look at the team. I definitely, you know, research what they've done before. I look if it's a white paper project or if they already have an MVP. You know, I try to dig into the programmer's background, because the programmer is definitely the most important, well, one of the most important people on their team, right? So I try to dig something up that he has done in the past. That's why I liked Phantasma, guys, because the programmer worked at games before, so he's definitely knowledgeable. You know, some good games he worked on. So yeah, that's definitely something I look into, guys. Anyways, guys, both telegrams will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button. If you got any questions at all, leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.